guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joseph. I'm in the studio with Beverly.
Hi guys, how's it going? I feel so great to be back with Flo.
Yes.
Just in town.
Today's my birthday and I'm excited to share some new things with all of you. However, I do not want to interrupt this video, so I will move all that I have to say to the end. But I really hope you stay through to the end because what I'm offering is a limited deal for discounts on some of my digital products and some other developments or details for what I'm offering on my Patreon. What we're doing today is a beauty shoot with Beverly, and I'm trying to recreate like a large window light for the shoot, but I'm using an LED. I'm using my Aperture 300D Mark II, and it's currently at 80%, and I'm bouncing it into this white part of the ceiling so it just reflects back onto Beverly. And I'm also shooting in front of a window as a fill light. So if I was shooting early in the day and I had a lot of natural light coming through the window, there wouldn't have been a need for this LED light. But since we're shooting a little bit later in the day, I'm just using this to support the light that is coming out from the windows. What we also have going on, I know this looks crazy, but again, because this is like a very large light source, we won't get a lot of contrast when we're shooting Bev, and that is why I have this like DIY cave thing going on, like what would you call this? This is like a cave, right? Yeah. It's like a cave, and I'm using a black cloth so that it's going to absorb any light that is spilling around and then create a lot of contrast. That is also going to make her skin tone really pop. And we also have a V-flat in the back serving as a black backdrop. Now we have her beautiful skin tone that is going to be contrasted against these dark tones going on. Lovely makeup by Ampabing, and we're also accessorizing her with some earrings from Nuava Handmade. I'm going to put everyone's links down below, and so you can check them out if you want. All right, so I need to get a good exposure on Bev. So what I'm going to do now is just bring my shutter speed down. Let's say 1/160. I'll keep my aperture at 2.8, and I need to just start bringing my ISO down all the way, let's say 1000. Now I'm gonna start shooting, but there are a few things I want to point out if you're doing something like this. So if you're in a garage or if you're in a small space where you have like darker walls or stuff like that around and you're shooting with natural light, the trick here is not to have your subject all the way in. So Bev, just go in and let me take a shot like all the way to the wall. And let me just take a test shot. All right, so by doing that, you can see that it is underexposed, but then also we have like no light on her face, and I want to get like flattering light on her. So Bev, please step forward a little bit more. Yeah, too much, just go back, yeah. So just bringing her like halfway in, and let me just take another shot. Perfect. Now we have like really nice light on her, and then the last thing I will do is just introduce a reflector. She can hold it herself for the test, and then we'll have Ampabing hold it for us for the actual shoot. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. Awesome. So this is just bouncing some of the light back. I think we have a good starting point, so we can actually start taking some frames. Too much. Yeah, right there. But I want the dress to show a bit, so let's come down. Let me see your eyes again. Yeah. All right, just raise your chin a little bit. Yeah. And by the way, I'm also shooting with my Canon R5 and the Canon 100mm macro. This is not the L lens, this is not the RF version either, but it still retains a lot of detail and I love it. It still works, and so I'm still using it up till now. So because we also have a bit of direction towards the light, right? It's coming in from this direction. So you can look in that direction, but then still bring your eyes to the camera in some of them. Yeah, that's, oh, perfect. I love. Stunning. I love that. Beautiful. Yes. Yeah, that's beautiful. Nice. Beautiful. Ooh. Stunning. Nice. Perfect. Just get a little closer. Ooh. Just bring your eyes to the camera. Yes. Yes. Perfect. One more shot. Beautiful. Yeah, but then you can drop. I feel like, and then maybe do something like this and relax. Yeah, and then just use your head. Yeah, that's it. Beautiful. One more shot. And then maybe your eyes like me, right there. Perfect. Keep the pose. Just bring your eyes back to the camera. Yes. One more shot. Perfect. Okay. Yes, that's it. Beautiful. I love the catch lights in the eyes. It's mainly coming from the window behind me and the reflector. That's amazing. I feel like if you have beautiful catch lights in your subject's eyes, it just brings the image to life. That's amazing. Yes. One last shot. Ooh. Perfect. My friends, I'm glad you made it to this part of the video, so let me reward you first with a 50% discount on all products, including the newly but subtly launched consultation package. Just use the code FLOWBDAY22 at checkout. I will have it in the description box as well. I've been looking for ways to revive my Patreon in a sense that it becomes more rewarding to you. I'm really big on impact, and I've been thinking that sharing raw files is good, but getting the chance to have your own images edited, constructively critiqued, and so on will rather be of more help. So I put up a poll a few days ago asking what price ranges and group size you will be comfortable with, and majority of you chose a $50 tier for up to 25 people. I'm looking for people who really need a community like this to help each other grow in this craft. So if you're interested, please check out the link in my description box and join the tier. By joining the tier, you will have access to a variety of raw files every month and retouching videos uploaded strictly to my Patreon bi-weekly. The first 2 retouching videos I will be uploading will be full editing videos on images from these sessions. However, we can also mix and match by retouching images that you have shot, coupled with unique videos that answer specific questions you might have. I will hardly be uploading retouching videos to YouTube, and so all retouching videos created will be mostly for my patrons. There will be some live sessions and other interactions in hope of getting us to inspire and motivate ourselves. But also know that by subscribing to the tier, you are helping me fund the free videos that I create on YouTube. So thank you so much for your support. I know I'm starting with just a handful or a small number of people, but this to me is a pilot, and I'm trusting and hoping we are all able to support this new journey. And if there's more demand, then we will collectively look at ways of expanding only if necessary. Thank you so much guys for your constant support. Links to everything is in the description down below. Alright, so guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you love the images that we created together. And if you want to see Bev come back again on this channel, because you're going on Tuesday, right?
Yeah, I'm going on Tuesday.
And when are you coming back?
I'm coming back December, hopefully.
Make sure you ask her to come in December. Let her not disappoint you guys. Alright, we'll catch you in the next video. And remember, don't ever give up.